What is bruxism? This is a question that actually get asked more and more often nowadays. Bruxism actually is a term for grinding, excessive grinding or clenching our teeth. And the causes of the bruxism, it is illness, nutritional deficiency, or even dehydration in adults and children. And the other causes will be very common, psychological, stress, which we'll have, anxiety, anger, frustration. And the other very increasing research has been done is bruxism. Actually, it's a clinical symptom of people who have a sleep disorder, which is called sleep apnea. So the consequence of bruxism, or we have patients who come in and complain, would be sensitive teeth, very inflamed gum, despite the floss, the clean, they do what the dentist has been told, but still they have quite a bit of a gum inflammation, gum bleeding, and they complain, oh, I chipped, the outer surface of my teeth, or I cracked my teeth, and when I get up in the morning, I have a lot of jaw tightness, or I have a bit of a tension headache. So to look at this problem, again, as I said, it's not something straightforward. So a very good consultation and assessment and exam with the dentist will be really crucial in order for us to establish a treatment option.